Hello everyone, let me introduce a tool that can automatically extract tables, Gentables. How to extract tables from a file. Step 1. Click Extract Tables. Step 2. Select a file from your computer and upload. Step 3. Get the tables extracted. After uploading, you will be taken to a new page where table extraction begins automatically. View all extracted tables directly on this page. To quickly navigate, click the Talk button to see a list of all extracted tables and easily locate the one you need. Step 4. Edit, Share, Export Table. Click Share to copy link, Share to X, or Share to LinkedIn. Click Export All to download all extracted tables as a zip file. Click Export on an individual table to download it. Click Edit on a table to make changes. Modify cell content, add or delete rows and columns, and save your updates. Okay, let's give it a try.